One-wheelers have been around for quite some time, but the modern electric unicycle has truly redefined the game. While e-bikes offer their own set of benefits, such as stability and versatility, EUCs shine in areas like portability, maneuverability, and the sheer thrill of the ride. For those seeking a compact, agile, and exhilarating mode of transportation, EUCs can in fact be a better option. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe! And remember, we saved the best for last. InMotion V14. The InMotion V14 Adventure is like the Air Jordans of electric wheels, boosting confidence with its powerful motor and sleek design. With a 4,000-watt motor peaking at 9,000 watts, it packs a serious punch for off-road trails and daily commutes. Quality construction is evident in its sturdy build and IPX6 water resistance rating, reassuring for unpredictable weather. Equipped with a 134-volt system and a range of 75 miles, it offers substantial battery capacity for longer rides. Despite its robust performance, it maintains a manageable weight, making it easy to maneuver. Charging is quick, with dual ports allowing for rapid replenishment, reaching 80% in under an hour. The C40 high-torque motor and adjustable suspension ensure a smooth ride, while thoughtful features like adjustable pedal angle add versatility. Whether tackling steep hills or cruising city streets, the V14 Adventure delivers reliable performance and impressive range. Ryno. The Ryno one-wheeled motorcycle embodies a blend of childhood fantasy and cutting-edge technology. Its sleek design, reminiscent of a high-performance crotch rocket, catches the eye with its mechanical vigor. Powered by gyroscopes and accelerometers, it offers a unique riding experience, balancing effortlessly as you lean into it. Despite its compact size and a top speed of 10 miles per hour, it packs a punch in urban commuting, boasting a range of 10 miles on a full battery charge. Weighing in at 160 pounds, it's not the lightest option, making subway stairs a challenge. However, its street-legal status adds to its allure. Charging time, though not explicitly mentioned, likely varies based on the battery capacity and charging system. Additional features, aside from its striking design and functionality, remain unspecified. Onewheel GT S. The Onewheel GT S-Series packs a punch with its impressive motor power and design. With a robust 113-volt electric drivetrain, it offers enhanced torque for tackling steep hills with ease. Quality shines through in its softer compound tire with deeper treading and redesigned foot pads for improved comfort and stability. Despite its compact size, the GT S-Series boasts a top speed of 25.5 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating ride experience. Riders can expect a respectable range of around 18 miles on a single charge, perfect for exploring city streets or hitting light single tracks. Its sleek design is complemented by a concave foot pad and aggressive tire tread, offering both style and performance. Despite its power, the GT S-Series remains lightweight, making it easy to transport when needed. Charging time is relatively quick, ensuring minimal downtime between adventures. Additional features include haptic feedback warnings for speed and battery level, adding an extra layer of safety to the ride. Unibolt. The Unibolt is a blast to ride, with its powerful motor and unique design, drawing inspiration from Dragon Ball's one-wheeled bike. Despite its hefty weight of 45 pounds, its large wheel ensures stability while gyroscopes handle speed control, making for an exciting experience once you've mastered it. With a price tag of $1,500, it's a bit of an investment, but the quality build and thrilling ride justify the cost. The battery capacity offers a decent range for city exploration, and recharging is reasonably quick, giving you more time to enjoy the ride. Its maximum speed matches the flow of urban sidewalks, making it perfect for leisurely tours or quick commutes. While it may not be the most practical option for everyday use, its quirky charm and fun factor make it stand out among electric rideables. Plus, any additional features it boasts only add to the excitement of cruising around town on this unconventional yet enjoyable mode of transportation. Jyro Ball. The Jyro Ball is an exciting addition to the world of personal transportation. offering a quirky yet functional design that's sure to turn heads. With its self-balancing technology and compact size, it's easy to see how it could make commuting a breeze. Its 20-pound weight might not make it feather light, but it's manageable enough for most users. The 14-mile range on a single charge ensures you won't be left stranded mid-journey, while its ability to handle inclines adds to its versatility. Sporting a powerful motor capable of propelling it at over 12 miles per hour, it's no slouch in terms of speed either. Charging time is not explicitly mentioned, but with its battery capacity, it's likely to be relatively quick. Additionally, its 10-inch diameter wheel size provides stability while navigating urban terrain. Despite its early bird price of $449, it's slated to retail for around $900 eventually. Overall, the Jyro Ball seems like a promising option for those looking for a fun and practical way to get around town. Song S19. The Song S19 stands out with its impressive motor power and design, featuring a 3,500-watt motor peaking at 6,500 watts, providing ample torque for various riding conditions. Quality is evident in its sturdy construction and attention to detail, such as the durable taillight and improved bolt design. With Samsung 40 T-cells, the battery capacity ensures safety and reliability during rides. While it boasts a maximum speed of 37 miles per hour, its range of 60 miles makes it suitable for longer commutes. The wheel size offers stability on various terrains, while its weight strikes a balance between portability and stability. Charging time is efficient with a 5-amp charger, ensuring minimal downtime between rides. Additional features like adjustable DNM suspension and touch-sensitive kill switch enhance the overall riding experience. Superride S1000. The Superride S1000 self-balancing electric unicycle is yet another exciting and innovative mode of personal transportation. Its gyroscopic technology and simple controls make it accessible for riders of various skill levels, while its impressive weight capacity and speed capabilities offer versatility and convenience. The ease of acceleration and braking, as well as the intuitive turning mechanism using body weight, enhance the overall riding experience. Additionally, the LED display providing essential information such as speed and battery status adds practicality and safety to the device. With its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, the Superride S1000 is a fantastic option for individuals looking for a fun and efficient way to navigate urban environments, or simply enjoy leisure rides. Begode EX30. If you value bang-for-the-buck performance over fancy speaker systems and RGB lights, the EX30 can't be beat. While it doesn't look as futuristic as newer Song and InMotion models, it sticks to the fundamentals that make for a durable wheel you can rely on. Firstly, its design is all about durability and stability, thanks to a reinforced 3-inch wide rim and a sturdy metal battery casing. Despite its weight of 101 pounds, this wheel offers a smooth ride, especially when cruising at its impressive top speed of 55 miles per hour. Speaking of cruising, with its powerful 4,000-watt motor and a massive 3,600 watt-hour battery capacity, you can cover up to 100 miles on a single charge. Now that's some serious range. And let's not forget about its ability to support riders up to 330 pounds, making it a heavy-duty option for riders of all sizes. Sure, it might take a bit longer to charge up, but considering the performance and range you're getting, it's well worth the wait. Plus, all these features come at a price that offers incredible value for the performance it delivers. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, show us some love by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-openers like this one. Also, feel free to check out more cool stuff right here.